Hello everyone. In continuation with the first part of my video on Python function, here I'll go for the next part under Python function, and here we are dealing with the scope. In Python, a variable has two scopes, a local scope and a global scope. Local scope. If a Python variable is defined inside a function, it is in local scope. And whereas if a Python variable is defined outside a function, it is in global scope. So here we can see the example. In the first circle, you can see the variable a is defined inside the function Shri_fun1 and its value is a. Its value is 10. The function is also print the value of a, and when we call this function Shri_fun1, this function will execute the function statements and the value of a will be printed. Coming to the next part. See the next function, that is Shri_fun2. Here a variable b defined outside the function, and it is known as the variable defined in the global scope. So if we want to print the value of variable b through the function, the statement will work, as well as from the outside, this last statement print b will also work. Let's take the Pydroid program for the local scope. This is the case 1 for the local scope. Here the same function I have taken, Shri_fun1, which is having the value a is equal to 10, and the function is going to print the value of a. So when we call this function, in the fifth line of code, the function is called Shri_fun1. So when this function is called, you can check the output screen. Output screen will give you the value of a, that is 10, and it is correctly displayed. Let's see case number 2. So what happening in this case, when you go through the program, a function def Shri_fun1 is having a local variable a, its value is 10. Line number 4 will print the value of a. With line number 5, we call this function Shri_fun1. So till this point, when you see the output window, the 10 will be printed. But when you want to execute line number 6, that is print a, and since a is a local variable and a local variable defined inside a function, that means this particular variable cannot be accessible outside the function. That is why line number 6 will print nothing, whereas it will generate a name error. Name a is not defined. So it's clear here that if a local variable, if you want to access the local variable outside the function, so you cannot be able to do this. Coming to the next part, that is global scope. A global scope is a scope where a variable can be accessible anywhere in the program. So here in the Pydroid, from line number 2, we declare a variable, we declare a function, that is tree underscore fun2, and we want to print the variable b. Please see line number 5, where b is defined as globally and its value is 12. And in the line number 6, we are calling this function Shri underscore fun2. So this line number 6 will be executed and it will call the function Shri underscore fun2, and the value of b will be printed by the function. So this is whole about the local scope and the global scope. Thank you.